Hi everyone, welcome back to San Diego Youth Science. We wanted to share with you a current water sample that we took just the other day at the ocean. You'll notice the water's pretty clear. It's not brown anymore like it was. That tells us that the red tide, the dinoflagellate causing that red tide, is decreasing in its concentration. So when we've been zooming into classes lately, we've shown you some of the dinoflagellates, but we hadn't had a tool to really show you up close until yesterday. We're so excited to share with you. We ordered this microscope, a digital compound microscope that just came in the mail and was delivered to us. And we're able, with the camera attachment, to live stream our samples during classes. So we're so excited to share some of these with you. Take a look. So let's take a closer look at our water sample from the ocean. We have a pipette here. A lot of you have used these with us in class. We'll just take a little bit of our sample from the ocean and we'll make our own slide. So we'll put a few drops of our ocean water. Hopefully there's a lot of dinoflagellates in this sample for us to look at under our new microscope. So we'll put it on the carrier here and we'll turn it on in a sec and we'll move it into place and we can all take a look. There's a type of plankton moving through the water. We can't quite tell what it is because its depth is different. If you do notice the little cylindrical things, those are the dinoflagellates that are causing our current red tide. They're not moving much, but they do have flagella and can move around. And they would be moving around more if we didn't have a slide cover on. Let's see what else we can observe. Because of the water depth, some of the things, oh my goodness, look at that, are a little bit harder to identify. It's walking, wow. But it's really challenging to see what exactly that is. How exciting though. So that's just a little bit of what we found in this current sample of water. We can't wait to share the next sample we collect from the bay or the ocean with you to see what we have as far as our phytoplankton and our zooplankton in our local water currently. So tune in. We will be zooming into a classroom, hopefully into yours, next week.